Hi, I'm Allison. I work with people all over the world to help them learn how to declutter their homes and lives for better living, selling, packing, and moving. And one of the things that I find that people find more challenging than they thought is trying to set boundaries when they're trying to figure out what they want to keep and what they want to toss. So one of the ways that it's made a lot easier is by asking yourself some questions, because those can help you set those boundaries. And here I'm going to take you through three different scenarios where you're going to ask yourself three questions in the wardrobe, when going through reading materials, and also in your kitchen. Stay tuned to learn. Three easy questions to ask yourself when you are going through your wardrobe and figuring out what to keep and what to get rid of. Does it fit? Do I like it? Do I wear it? If the answer is no to those questions, it's time to let it go. In the kitchen, three ways to set boundaries is to ask yourself these questions. Do I use this? Do I need this? And do I need more than one of these? Because you all know that we end up with like 6 different spatulas when you only use one. With reading materials, the three questions you want to ask yourself is, did I start this and never finish it, and it's been at least 3 months? Have I owned this for over a year and have never even picked it up? And if I have read it, do I really see myself reading it or referring to it ever again?